Okay, we're going to talk about a term that gets thrown around all the time, but let's be honest, it can be a little mysterious. AI inference.
You know that feeling, right? You type a question into an AI, you hit enter, and bam, an answer just starts appearing. It feels like straight-up magic. So what is actually going on in that tiny split second between your question and its answer?
Well, that moment of magic, that performance, it actually has a name. It's called inference. It's the moment the AI stops practicing and actually gets on stage to do its job for you.
So what is it really? Honestly, the best way to get your head around inference is to think about the difference between practicing for a big event and, the actual performance itself.
So here's the official take. Inference is just when a trained AI model takes everything it already knows and applies it to brand new information, like the question you just asked, to make a decision or a prediction. The key here is that it's already trained. It's not learning anymore. It's just doing.
And this chart just lays it out perfectly. On one side, you've got training. You can think of this like the AI is studying for a huge exam. It can take months. It's just learning, absorbing, building up its brain. But then you've got inference. That's the AI actually taking the exam. It's not learning anything new at all. It's just applying what it already knows, and it does it in milliseconds. So one side builds the model, the other side uses the model.
To make this crystal clear, let's use an analogy that has absolutely nothing to do with computers. Let's talk about a chess grandmaster.
So a grandmaster spends years and years in the training phase, right? That's step one. They're studying old games, memorizing strategies, just practicing like crazy. But when they finally sit down for a big tournament, they're in step two, inference. They're facing a board they've never seen before, and in a split second, they have to apply all those years of training to make the best possible move. That is exactly what an AI does.
And this is the absolute key to its speed. During inference, the AI isn't learning anything new. The grandmaster isn't learning chess in the middle of a match, right? They're just executing, just applying the knowledge that's already locked in. That's what makes the whole thing feel so instantaneous.
Okay, so it's fast, and it's a performance. But where does this actually pop up in your life? Well, the short answer is pretty much everywhere.
Think about it. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, an AI is running inference. When Netflix suggests a movie that feels like it was made just for you, yep, that's inference predicting what you'll like. Asking your voice assistant a question, that sets off a chain of inferences. Even when your bank instantly flags a weird transaction to protect you, that's inference too. It's the silent engine behind so much of the tech we use every day.
So why should you even care about this word? Because understanding the difference between training and inference actually unlocks the speed, the cost, and even the privacy behind the AI you're using. It really all comes down to this: milliseconds. The entire AI experience, that feeling of an instant, intelligent response, is only possible because inference is just lightning fast. And that leads to the three big reasons this all matters. First, speed. Like we said, it's what makes AI feel so seamless and not at all clunky. Second is cost. Now, training an AI model can cost a fortune, but it's a one-time thing. Inference is a tiny cost, but it happens every single time you use the service, which really adds up. And third, and this one's really important, is privacy. When inference happens right on your phone, like Face ID, your data stays with you. But when it happens in the cloud, like with a chatbot, you're sending your data to a server. Knowing the difference helps you know what's happening with your information.
So if you remember just one thing, let it be this. Inference is showtime. It's the moment when all the practice is over, the lights come up, and the AI delivers a real, tangible result for you.
So now you know what's really happening behind the curtain. The next time Netflix nails a recommendation or your phone unlocks in a blink, you'll see it for what it is. Not magic, but inference. Now the question is, what AI performance are you going to spot first?